As an aspiring 3D printing entrepreneur, you may have the technical know-how, but to truly succeed, you'll need to collaborate with a talented team of designers and engineers. In this video, we'll explore the power of these crucial partnerships and uncover the secrets to building synergetic relationships that will take your 3D printing business to new heights. Stay tuned, because this could be the missing piece to unlocking your full potential. One of the key factors that separates successful 3D printing entrepreneurs from the rest is their ability to build a strong network of collaborators. While you may have a deep understanding of the technical aspects of 3D printing, designers and engineers bring a unique skill set to the table that can elevate your business to new heights. Designers, for instance, have a keen eye for aesthetics and can help you create eye-catching, functional 3D printed products that captivate your target audience. They'll work with you to optimize the design, ensuring it not only looks great, but also meets the practical needs of your customers. On the other hand, engineers can provide invaluable insights into the technical feasibility of your ideas. They can help you identify potential issues, suggest improvements, and ensure your 3D printed products are designed with manufacturing efficiency in mind. So, how do you go about building these collaborative relationships? The key is to approach it with a genuine spirit of partnership and mutual respect. Seek out designers and engineers who share your passion for 3D printing and are eager to contribute their unique talents to the growth of your business. Attend industry events, join online communities, and leverage your personal and professional networks to connect with potential collaborators. Don't be afraid to reach out and introduce yourself. Many designers and engineers are eager to lend their expertise to promising 3D printing ventures. Once you've established these connections, be sure to foster open and transparent communication. Regularly share your ideas, challenges, and goals, and be receptive to the input and suggestions of your partners. Remember, collaboration is a two-way street, and the more you invest in these relationships, the more you'll gain in return. By embracing the power of collaboration, you'll unlock a world of new possibilities for your 3D printing business. Designers and engineers can help you create cutting-edge products, streamline your workflows, and stay ahead of the competition. So, what are you waiting for? Be sure to check out the rest of our course on building a successful 3D printing business, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights and tips. And if you're ready to take your 3D printing to the next level, be sure to check out the 3D printers and accessories featured in the description below. Let's make your 3D printing dreams a reality.